guys, so this will be a quick monthly update for my revenue. I'm not really expecting a big revenue for this month. Instead, I am expecting that there's really a drastic decrease in my revenue. So I've been monetized last October, and I've been super active on uploading videos on YouTube, like almost a day, 3 times a day, 3 times a week. So yeah, and I only have $36 on my pocket for the 1 month revenue in October. But aside from that, I have other side hustles. So I also curate my videos to earn other passive income aside from YouTube display. If you want to check that out, then I have a video for that. It's called My First YouTube Paycheck and My Other Side Hustle Revenue. So feel free to check that out if you want, if you are curious of other other how to make money online aside from YouTube revenue. So yeah, let's see. I'll be super happy to share with you guys how's the progress with my channel. So let's see how much money I've got for this month. So I'm gonna go to my YouTube studio and let's dive into the analytics, and then here. So by November, I started getting monetized. I started to get monetized on YouTube last October, and this is only my revenue, $37.60 with 5,200K views. So for that, I have a RPM of 7.28. And if we go into the November month, and I haven't uploaded anything in here, like I stopped the momentum so far. So I've got $36 for this month, and I have 5,000 views. So it's lesser views compared to my October view, but I've been super active on October month. Okay, so and then my revenue in here, my RPM is 7.20. And if you compare it into the October month, my RPM is like, they are almost actually the same. So let's dive into November. Okay, now this is it's already December now, so I want to keep active on this. So right now in this December, I've got an RPM. My RPM is higher, so I've got $10 RPM with an estimated revenue of $23. And again, I did not do anything for the month, so probably that's the reason why I have a lower monthly view for this monthly revenue for this November. But actually they are almost the same. 37 for the October and 36 for November. So there's really no drastic difference. However, I think if I was still active in this month, I can get higher revenue, I believe. So that's it. And then I have a lot of views that has very high revenues and low revenues as well. So let's try to go into the monetization tab. Hold on. I'm gonna go to the dashboard and then this part, I believe. No, let's dive into the, I think it is in the analytics. Yeah, analytics, and then see more. And if you go into my CPM for the past 28 days, I do have some RPM that are so way high, like 33.8, 61 for this video, and the rest. I have really higher RPM compared to the other videos, and my lowest RPM is related to travel. So because before, this channel is more about personal lifestyle, when I am traveling. And because of COVID, I stopped traveling, so I completely revamped my channel into more on marketing, which is I'm currently doing something like related to Martech. Okay, so that's it. I hope you enjoy. I want to know your thoughts as well. My conclusion in this is if I'm just consistent uploading videos for the November, then I think there's a big potential of getting higher revenue for this month. But since I've done nothing, so I haven't done anything on my YouTube channel. The good thing is, like, that's what I am always saying to you guys, like, once you have a YouTube channel, it keeps you generate money passively. It doesn't matter if it's a little or a big money, but it's just generating passive money. Okay, I haven't done anything for this month, but it keeps me generating that mainstream. Okay, so yeah, in this video I really did not discuss the affiliate, but in my first video I have tackled my affiliate, earning. So feel free to check that out. I also want to know your thoughts as well. If you did some experiment, have you also tried, like, for this month you have been super active, and then after next couple of months you haven't uploaded anything?
By the way, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the subscribe button and that bell notification to receive new videos from me. I also have other YouTube channels, so make sure you subscribe that as well.
How was your experience with the, difference on the revenue before and the after?
So let's go to my other channel. Normally I just upload 2 times per month on this channel, and my last upload was November 13th, and let's see how much the revenue so far. This one is actually very low. The videos on this before was related again to traveling and cooking, and I've make them everything in private and start with a different niche. So right now I only have 1,200 views, and my revenue are pretty super low, but sometimes I bump to, like, I have some revenues that has like it bumps to $1. So yeah, $1 is the highest peak so far in this channel. Yeah, and it only has super few videos so far. So anyway, and I want to share with you like how much the RPM on this one is more into how to make money online. So if your niche is all about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, then I'm gonna give you like a sneak peek of how much money you are getting for every 1,000 views. So I only have I have 1,200 views. So normally I've got 7.3 RPM. So when you say RPM and CPM, it is calculated by 1,000, or like how much YouTube is paying you for 1,000 views. So it's going to the revenue in here. So in this part I have an RPM of $6.16, and the CPM playback, these are the people who did not skip the ads. So I've got $15.17 for the CPM. RPM are those people who skipped the ads, and that is $6.16. And the total of I have $7.30 for the month of 28 days, okay, which is 1,200 views. Now let's dive into my let's check my highest videos so far. So I have, this one is more about the video app, which is called, it's a video whiteboard animation tool. It's called Powtoon, and it has 527 views. And let's see like how much money. So let's try to check. So the RPM in that is super low. It only has 2.11 RPM and $6 for the playback. So far for the 526 views I only get $1. So yeah, so it's not really good topic, I believe. I'm not so sure, but actually RPM changes in daily basis. It actually depends on who are the people watching on you. Now let's dive into my other traffic, other video. So this one, okay, let's see this one. So how much does YouTuber make for 1,000 views? Let's see how much is the RPM for that. So I only have 2.41 RPM. If you compare it to my other channel, it's way higher compared to this channel. But I think I have also some videos that has higher RPM on this channel. So let's try to look for this Facebook Business Manager. Okay, it only have 84 views, and let's dive into the analytics and go to the revenue, and you will see that it has 18.62 RPM. Not bad. It's quite higher. So in this case, I know that I need to focus on business related videos. So let's dive into the social media, which is Quora. I'm gonna check the revenue in here. The Quora has very low RPM. Advertiser are targeting this is not really targeting this one, so it only have 1.44 RPM. This is the lowest so far, I think. But let's try into the Reddit. I'm going to the revenue for the Reddit. It's still the same, 3.42. So it's not really. So I think I need to focus on this part. So let's dive into this one, Facebook Business Manager. I have 445 views. So it's similar to the one that has higher RPM. So let's see. So it has 9.65 RPM. It's not bad. So I think I need to focus this channel. I probably try to revamp this channel to be more into Facebook related content. And let's dive into this one is WooCommerce. I think this should be changed. This video shouldn't be in this channel. It should be in my other channel, which is BookwormHead. So let's dive in. 5.33 RPM. And again, just a disclaimer, RPM change in daily basis. It depends on who's watching on you. Who are the people that are watching on you. But what I understand is the more business related your content is, the higher RPM you can get, because advertisers are willing to pay willing to pay higher for those kind of niches, especially for fintech industries. So that's it. And also I am also seeing some channels that is related to blogging, related to makeups that has higher RPM. It's just I think depends on your viewers. Like there's a lot of factors like the geography they are watching, and the type of person they are, and the retention, like did they fully watch your videos, and also in the monetization program. And in this part, when you go to the monetization, so under the monetization, so in the videos, and if you go in here, so make sure you turn that on, and make sure that you manage your mid-rolls, so you can put multiple ads onto your videos. If you click the manage mid-rolls in here, you'll see that I've put some ad break on every videos. So but if you just keep that by default, there's only 2 videos, I think, a 2 ad break on your video, so at the end and in the beginning. So it's better if you put it on the middle of your videos. And you can also check, like in this part, in the analytics area, there is an option here called engagement. So you'll see like when there should be an option in here. Okay, this one. So you see that in this area, like in 1.1 minute and 35 seconds, there's a lot of people watching your video. So you can focus adding a lot of ad break in here and then just remove the ad break. I'm going to remove my ad break at the end of this video and want to focus on the first 5 minutes. So probably I'm going to put 2 ad break in here and 1 ad break at the beginning.
So that's it, guys. Have a great day.